Hello Internet, just a short preview of two of the new quills that I'll be previewing and testing and experimenting with on my channel in the next few weeks. Both glass bottles wrapped with 1mm AWG wire, and this is what we can look forward to in our new experiments. I thank you for watching and see you in the next video.